How to add music in Meta Business Suite. So you should be able to do this when creating certain content in your Meta Business, but a few limitations depending on what you're posting as well. So Meta allows music in your reels, in your stories, text posts, live videos, but it is subject to the music rights and licensing agreements. But let's say you want to go ahead and create a reel. So all you'll have to do is upload your media and let's say your photos or add a video, and it should automatically give you suggestions on what music you should add. So in our case, we went ahead and did the add photos. Now we will get a sound sync. So you should be able to take a look at the music that is available. You have the For You, so take a look at those new releases. But if you want, you can always just go ahead and search for your own audio or search for audio over here. Just type in what you want and it should apply for the post that you want to upload. And you should be able to add your music on your post. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.